Warren Buffett's interpretation of financial reports. Number 53. Stock buybacks. A tax-free way to increase shareholders' wealth. To find out if a company is buying back its shares, go to the cash flow statement. Look for cash from investing activities. Find a heading. Issuance of stock, net. This shows the net selling and buying back of the company shares, indicating a DCA history of repurchasing or retiring the company shares. A DCA company creates a ton of cash. Now what to do with it? Pay dividends or buy back shares? Warren doesn't believe paying dividends increases shareholders' wealth. Warren believes buying back the company shares increases the per-share earnings of the company, which in turn increases the price of the stock. More shares outstanding lowers the per-share earnings. Lower shares outstanding means higher per-share earnings. Another business tip from Learn Accounting Fast. Next, valuing a durable competitive advantage company.